Good afternoon, everyone. We continue. This is 10th class, video 10, matrices. And you can check your answers, please, of last video. I gave 2 questions for practice last video, so please check your answers. So we were doing transpose of a matrix. So you see more cases, more questions we are doing. A is given, B is given, verify that. It's important question. AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Yes. This question is important. A is given, B is given, and we have to verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose is A transpose. So we start. So we have to find out LHS, RHS separately. So I am finding AB first. -1, 2, 3. 2 minus 3, 4. Yes, I have to multiply first. No, AB. Left hand side. Yes. See, whenever we multiply, no, first we check the condition. A has how many rows and how many columns? What is the order? 1 by 3. B's order is 3 by 1. You know that when we can multiply AB, when last number and first number is same, we can multiply them, and the result is what? 1 by 1. Okay? So I start. 1 by 1 is what? Just 1 row, 1 column. The result is 1 by 1. So first row, first column. Yes, please multiply them. -1 into 2, -2. 2 into 3, -6. 3 4s are 12. So what I am getting, you see, 12 minus 8, 4. So the result is 1 by 1. Yeah, this is 1 by 1. So this is AB. Okay, AB is 4. Then what is AB transpose, please? Is same only, right? Because transpose means what? We interchange rows and columns. So AB transpose is same only. First row is there, we write first column. So same answer. Finished. Now RHS. Yes, RHS is what? B dash A dash. What is B transpose? The column we write in row, that is called transpose. This is B in column, we write in row, B transpose. A transpose, A is in row, where we write in column. Yes. Again, 1 by 3, 3 by 1. So how many rows and columns? Last and the first is same. We can multiply. The result is 1 by 1. Okay. Row, column. 2 into -1, -2, -3 into 2, -6. 4 3s are 12. So in last videos we have done how to multiply. Last and first equal, the result is 1 by 1. Yes, I am getting, you see. 4, 1 by 1. Finish, direct answer. So check the answers. LHS is equal to RHS. It's okay. So this was one example. It's important question. See, same. If A is, one more question please. B is, yes. A is given, B is given, and asking the same thing. Because here you get a new idea, that's why I am doing one more question. Same thing. First I am finding left hand side. AB. What is A? 2 4 5. B 1 3 4. Yes. See the order first. 3 rows, 1 column. Right? Here 1 row, 3 column. Last number, first number is same. You can multiply them. The result is what? 3 by 3. So you see the size. 3 by 3 I should get. So take the bigger size. Because we need 3 by 3. Here what? How we multiply? First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. First row, first column, first row 1 elements, first column also 1 element. 2 ones are 2, finished. First row, second column, 6. No plus sign will come. We have done this type questions before. First row, third column, 8. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Third row, first column. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Finish. The result is 3 by 3. See, this is AB. What is AB transpose? Continue here. This is AB. So AB transpose is what? First row we write first column. Second row we write second column. Third row we write third column. Yes, correct. Minus third row we write third column, minus 5, 15, 20. This is LHS. 3 by 3. We stop. Now RHS. What is RHS? B dash, A dash. Okay, what is the transpose of B? Row is there, you write column. What is A transpose? Column is there, you write row. What is its order? 3 by 1. What is its order? 1 by 3. Last and first same. We can multiply them. The result is 3 by 3. Yes. Result is 3 by 3. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Second row, first column. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. Check the answer. 2 4 5 6 12 15 8 16 20. See, answers are same. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Verified. Clear? So after this, see more cases. So we are doing transpose questions. This is the third exercise of first chapter. Yeah, see more cases. This is from old papers, this question. A plus B, 2, 5B, 6, 2, 5, 5. Find AB. This is the question. 6, 5. Yeah, this is 2 2s. Okay. So how we do this question is from the old papers. This question is, so here what is given? A plus B, 2, 5B. See, you know that the meaning of this dash is what? What is the dash of this? It means what is the transpose of this? Dash means what? The transpose of that. What is transpose of that? First row you write first column, second row you write second column. First row is first column, second row is second column. Transpose. Now comparing both sides. Comparing both sides, we get A plus B is 6. Yes. 2 2 same, 5 5 same. B is equal to 2. Put B is equal to 2. Put B is equal to 2 in first, in this. A as it is, B is 2. So what is A? 6 minus 2. What is A? 4. So answer is A is 4, B is 2. Finished. Okay. So this is just 2 marks type question. One important question. Again from the old papers. This also from CBSE, old papers. If A is 1, 2, 2. 2, 1 minus 2. A to B is a matrix such that A transpose is 9i. Find A, B. Yes. So we are doing extra questions based on this transpose. Okay. So please see what is given. A transpose is 9A. This is given. What is A? 1 2 2 2 1 2 A 2 B. What is A transpose? First row I should write first column. Second row I should write second column. Third row I should write third column. Is equal to 9I. 9 into all the elements of I. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is called I. I means identity matrix. See, A is this. I took the A transpose. Okay, now I should multiply them. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. 1 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. A plus 4 plus 2B. You know this method already. We have discussed in other videos, right? Now second row, first column. 2 1s are plus 2 minus 4. 4 plus 1 plus 4. 2A plus 2 minus 2B. This row, this column. A plus 4 plus 2B. This row, this column. 2A plus 2 minus 2B. This row, this column. A square plus 4 plus B square is equal to 900 090 009. Yes. So see what I am getting now after that. This is 9 0 A plus 4 plus 2B 0 9 2A plus 2 minus 2B. Okay, A plus 4 plus 2B 2A plus 2 minus 2B. Then A square plus 4 plus B square is equal to what? 900 090 Now what we do? We compare them, comparing both sides. Yeah, comparing we get, see 9 9 same, 0 0 same. So I can take A plus 4 plus 2B is 0. I need one more equation. So I will take this. This is 0 and this is 0. Okay, 2A plus 2 minus 2B is 0. Yeah, A plus 2B is minus 4. Here 2A minus 2B is minus 2. Here I can divide by 2. So A minus B is minus 1. This is A plus 2B is minus 4. This is first, this is second. We solve them. Solving 1 and 2 by elimination method. Solving 1 and 2 by elimination. A plus 2B is 4. A minus B is minus 1. So what I am doing? Subtract. Minus, see I am writing here. Subtract. Minus. Plus. Plus. You know it was there in 10th class. Cut. 2B plus B 3B. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. B is minus 1. Put B is equal to minus 1. Yeah, put B is equal to minus 1. In any question, first or second? In first. Okay. So A plus 2B is 4. A plus 2B is 4. So B is minus 1. Yes, so A minus 2 is minus 4. A is minus 4 plus 2. A is minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So I got the answers what? A is minus 2, B is minus 1. You can do one thing, you can check the answers. How that? You take one more thing. See, here checking. We can check that, you see. Here, definitely this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 9. A square plus 4 plus B square is 9. Yeah, you put now. A value minus 2. This is the answer, please. Plus 4. What is B? I got minus 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1, see, correct, is true, is correct. Hence this is the answer. So this type questions also there. This is one extra question from all papers. Okay. Yes, now please see, we have two definitions, two matrices. One is, this is important note, one is symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix, and one is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Yes, please, we have two definitions. What is the meaning of symmetric matrix? So please see the definition, it's an important note. A square matrix, its definition, a square matrix A is equal to Aij of any order of order n is said to be symmetric when you know if A transpose is same as A. If transpose of A is same as A, then the matrix is called symmetric matrix, but it must be a square. You should know what is the meaning of a square matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns, 3 rows, 3 columns, 4 rows, 4 columns, square matrix. So a square matrix can be a symmetric matrix which satisfies this. If A transpose is A, I will give some examples. Please see. Like, suppose A is 1, 3, 3, 4, right? Okay, you take A transpose. First row you write first column, second row you write second column. You see, again you got the same thing. So A transpose is equal to A, therefore this A is called what? Symmetric. One more example you see. If A is 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1. See, I am taking the transpose. First row, first column. Second row, second column. Third row, third column. I wrote. But you see, answers are same. Therefore, A transpose is equal to A. Both are same. That's why this A is called what? This A is symmetric. So what is the meaning of symmetric? If A transpose is same as A, then A is symmetric. Finished? Now see, the second definition is skew symmetric. Yes, a square matrix, again same thing, again a square matrix. A is equal to Aij of order n is called skew symmetric. Yeah, when a square matrix A is called skew symmetric if A transpose is minus A. If A transpose is A, symmetric. If A transpose is minus A, skew symmetric. Okay? I will give one example. Please see. Like A is 0, minus 3, 2. 3 minus 2, 0, minus 5, 5, 0, yes. Please see this. See, I am giving example. When A transpose is same as minus A, then A is called skew symmetric. Yeah, you take transpose first. First row is first column, second row is second column, third row is third column. I have taken transpose. Now you take minus common. Minus common from all. 0, minus 3, plus 2, plus 3, 0, minus minus plus 5, minus 2, minus 5, 0. You check now please. So I am taking minus common here. Take minus common. So if I take minus common after taking the transpose, 0, minus 3, minus minus plus. So A transpose is minus, what is this 0, 3, 2, 3, 0, 5, 2, 5, 0, same thing. A transpose is minus A, therefore A is what? Skew symmetric. Clear? One note please, always in skew symmetric matrix, you know, this is the observation. In skew symmetric matrix, always what happens, you know, all its diagonal elements are 0. All its diagonal elements are 0 please. See, 0, 0, 0. See, 0, 0, 0. This is first condition. And it must be a square. Clear? What is a square matrix? Now please see. We do questions. One question. Again this will be continued in next video. If A is 2, minus 5, 4, 1, 3, minus 2, minus 5, 6, 5. Prove that we have this kind of questions. A plus A dash is symmetric. Yes. See, all these questions we have in third exercise. Yeah, this I will take the last question. Then we continue in the next video. See, what is the question? Prove that A plus A dash is symmetric. I am finding A plus A dash. A plus A dash. What is A? 2, 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, minus 5, 6, 5. This is A. Plus what is A transpose? First row is first column, second row is second column, third row is third column. So what is A plus A transpose? 2 plus 2, 4, minus 4, minus 1, minus 4, 6, 4, minus 1, 4, 10. Yeah, this is A plus A dash. I have to prove what? A plus A dash is symmetric. So what I am doing? I am supposing, let A plus A dash by some P. So what I get, you see? I am supposing it by P. P is this. 4, 4, 1, minus 4, 6, 4, minus 1, 4, 10. I am finding now P transpose. First row is first column. Second row is second column. Third row is third column. Okay? I am finding the transpose. But now you check the answer. P transpose and P are same. 4, 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 4, 10. So P transpose is equal to P. Therefore P is symmetric. Yeah, what is P actually? P is this. A plus A dash is symmetric. Okay. So this is one important question. So by this question we stop. And the next video you can see. Thank you.